Hey everyone, this week we're featuring another modern era Canadian-born cocktail with a lot of personality, featuring 3 rums and some uniquely strong aromatics. This is Day of the Dead. So in our last episode, we recreated a great drink from one of the best tiki bars in all of North America, the Shameful Tiki Room in Vancouver, British Columbia. This week, we'll take another look at their expansive menu and zero in on another house original created by the founder of the Shameful Tiki Room, Rod Moore. Now, Rod Moore had a rapid escalation in his involvement with the tiki community that started with buying a single tiki mug at a shop in Hawaii, to deep diving into the tiki bar scene, to opening a fancy bartender supply store, to finally getting the opportunity to open his very own tiki bar in 2013. So now he still owns the Modern Bartender, he has 2 different Shameful Tiki Room locations, he's working on another tropical bar endeavor in Toronto, and he performs in a rockabilly band called the Hang Ten Hangmen. I'd say that his contributions to the tiki community so far have been
amazing.
Not to mention his original recipes, one of which we're going to recreate tonight, the Day of the Dead. Like the unique mix of ingredients that we used in the recipe last episode, this recipe features an even larger variety of ingredients, with a focus on a wide range of aromatics, which includes lime, lemon, orange, pineapple, Angostura bitters, club soda, Pernod, Pimento dram, cream of coconut, and then 3 kinds of rum. I expect the result will be something with an intriguing nose and a complex flavor. So let's get started. Let's do the lime, lemon, orange juice, pineapple, pimento dram, cream of coconut, 6 drops of Pernod. This stuff will kill you, but it's a good death. Dash of Angostura bitters, 3/4 ounce of moderately aged rum, in this case we're using Florida Cana, 3/4 ounce of Overproof Demerara, so I'm using Lemon Heart 151. This stuff will also kill you. It hurts good. And 1 ounce Aged Jamaican rum. Now normally I would recommend like Appleton's Signature 12, but in this case we're just going to use some Myers. I'm sorry, Rod. Before we add the club soda, we're gonna shake this up real good. So I've added some ice cubes in there just to agitate it up, also to froth up the coconut and the pineapple. Also just sounds cool. All right, we're gonna get a Shameful Tiki Room glass. We're gonna fill it with crushed ice. Get our Hawthorne strainer here and strain it in. Nice. I'm gonna leave just a little bit of room on top to top off with the club soda. There we go. Now normally I would garnish this with a pineapple wedge and a cherry. We don't have the pineapple wedge, but we do have the cherry. Let's stick that guy on. Got a Shameful Tiki Room swizzle stick with skull and bones for a good measure. And there you have it, the Day of the Dead. Let's see how this turned out. Wow, yes, just as anticipated, it is a very complex situation going on in there. Crafted with deep love of the history of tiki culture, this drink makes an awesome addition to the tradition of complex cocktails inspired from the original first wave of the tiki era. And if you're in Vancouver, swing by the Shameful Tiki Room to get one of these from its original source. Thanks, Rod Moore, for all of your amazing contributions to the tiki community. And thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider giving us a like and subscribing so you don't miss out on future cocktail adventures. Until then, cheers. Orange juice. In this case, I'm using orange juice. Pure Pernod. Why would I do this? And to think, some people drink club soda all by itself. Psychopaths. Ugh. If you put it to your ear, you can almost hear Rod Moore telling me that I made the drink poorly. At the shameful tiki room. At the shameful tiki room. Pernod, Pimento dram. Ask not. What the tiki community can do for you, but what you can do for your tiki community. Rod Moore for Tiki President.